Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the essential 5 steps to successful project management. Whether you're managing a small team or a large-scale project, these steps will help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Let's get started. The first step in successful project management is defining the project scope. This involves clearly outlining the project's objectives, deliverables, tasks, and boundaries. It's crucial to identify what is included in the project and, just as importantly, what is not. Engage with stakeholders to gather requirements and establish a clear vision. Document everything in a project scope statement to ensure everyone is on the same page from the start. Remember, a well-defined project scope helps prevent scope creep and sets a solid foundation for the rest of your project. Step 2 is developing a detailed plan. This is your roadmap to success. Break down the project into smaller tasks, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. Use tools like Gantt charts, flowcharts, and project management software to visualize the timeline and track progress. Make sure to include key milestones to help monitor the project's progress. A comprehensive plan helps manage time, resources, and risks effectively, keeping the project on schedule and within budget. Step 3 is assembling and communicating with your team. Identify the right people with the necessary skills and experience for the project. Clear communication is key. Establish regular meetings and updates to ensure everyone is informed and aligned with the project's goals. Utilize communication tools and platforms to facilitate seamless interaction and collaboration among team members, especially if they are working remotely. Step 4 is monitoring and controlling the project. Regularly track the progress against the project plan. Identify any deviations and take corrective actions promptly. Conduct periodic reviews and status meetings to keep stakeholders informed and address any concerns. Use performance metrics and KPIs to measure progress and ensure the project is on track. Effective monitoring and control help in identifying potential risks early and implementing solutions to mitigate them. Finally, step 5 is closing the project. Once all deliverables are completed and accepted, it's time to wrap up the project. Conduct a final review to evaluate the project's success and document any lessons learned. Celebrate the team's achievements and recognize their hard work. Prepare a project closure report and ensure all project documentation is archived for future reference. A formal closure ensures that all aspects of the project are properly concluded. And there you have it, the 5 steps to successful project management. By defining the project scope, developing a detailed plan, assembling and communicating with your team, monitoring and controlling the project, and closing the project properly, you can lead your projects to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.